Good day, Marinas. This is Amit Meena, founder of Punk Marine Services. In today's video, I'd like to highlight one safety aspect concerning the DP operations on offshore vessel. So, for example, you're on an offshore vessel as a DPO, you are working on board the vessel, and you're on a DP2 vessel, on a PSV, that is supply vessel, working with drill ship. And for example, for simulation purpose, we can take that we are working on the east coast of India, these very month of November, December, where there's squally weather in the east coast of India, that is in the Bay of Bengal side. What happens is that one very important factor while doing DP operations along with drill ship is that other than the various parameters of the DP equipment you're working on to, the weather parameters really need to be monitored at a very, very crucial level. Whether it is current, whether it is wind, whether it is swell, anything like that, that needs to be monitored at a very, very serious level. Also, the warnings which are received via your SETC or something like that needs to be monitored. Plus, the drill ship which you are working with or the rig which you are working with, the particular installation will also be giving you some safety guidelines regarding weather parameters. And many a times it does happen that in squally weather or in approaching squall, the drill ship has a better systems equipped, they are well equipped with system, and with the weather parameter they are far more precise than the supply vessel. And if they do tell the supply vessel to pull out, it is really an important call that we really need to pull out while working. We need to stop the operation whichever is going on, whether it is an hose work or deck cargo operation. You need to cease down the operation while working with a drill ship, and you really need to pull out at the very time, because the amount of time required you to pull out, maybe it is 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes, that much time is required. That one needs to be calculated well in advance in the mind, that if the DPO, the senior DPO on the drill ship is telling that you need to pull out, that is really an alarm, and should start seizing the operation and start pulling out in the safety zone, maybe on the starboard quarter side or the port quarter side, or which is also maybe inside the 500 meters, no problem at all. But you really need to pull out, because when the squall hits, it's really gonna make your pulling out very difficult. And in such situation, definitely no DPOs on a supply vessel we want to be in such a situation. So that was all the message all about, that safety parameters, weather parameters need to be very well monitored. The external factor does play a very, very important role when you're working as DPO on supply vessel, and we have to be really careful during squally weather, especially in the month of December. If, for example, as I told, if you're working on the east coast of India, things like that. That is all the DP guidelines was all about, and do keep tuned up for a lot of safety videos will keep coming up on this platform. A lot of videos regarding the DP operation, the safety, other safety operations which keep going on vessel, which keep coming on this platform. Do like, share and subscribe, and that's it. Take care, safe sailing.